Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Microsoft Edge, like most web browsers, has a feature for developers called DevTools, which basically allows developers to inspect and debug web pages and to check website performance, just to mention a couple of examples. Now, although DevTools is a feature that wouldn't be of use and be used by your average home user on a day-to-day basis, because we like to keep you posted and in the loop on the channel, just to let you know about a recent bug that is affecting DevTools in case you are affected. Now, just to let you know that there has been a bug that's causing a message to appear in the DevTools panel, which is telling users to reload the page to install new DevTools features. So to get to DevTools, in case you're unaware, we head up to our main menu, head down to More Tools, and in the Overflow menu for More Tools, here at the bottom you'll see Developer Tools. Just click on that. And in the right-hand pane, you'll see the DevTools feature opens up. And here is the little bug I'm talking about. It says additional DevTools components have been installed. Reload for full DevTools capabilities. And then you have to click on Reload DevTools. Now, this is a bug and is only affecting Windows users who are using Microsoft Edge. So if you are using Microsoft Edge as a developer, as an example, on another platform, you will not see this issue. It's only affecting Windows users and has been occurring for more or less the last 3 months or so. So this isn't actually a recent bug. And even now in Edge version 114, which is the latest stable release, Microsoft has not yet addressed this issue with the latest version of the browser. So obviously this has been going on now for quite some time. And obviously developers who are using the DevTools in Edge have noticed this bug, which keeps on reoccurring. Even though you can reload DevTools, you can click out X, you can restart your browser, this little message, reload DevTools, still appears here at the top of the DevTools panel. So just letting you know about this in case you are affected by this issue. It is a bug which Microsoft has not yet addressed, and obviously if anything does change and this does get resolved in an up-and-coming update or from a server-side update, I will try my best and let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.